Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 10 from Apple with a cracked display, but that's not the one we're going to replace today. It's the battery. Let's go. So the battery on this iPhone 10 is slowly degrading, and it's now gonna discharge faster, and maybe it's slow to charge, or its battery capacity is not really at 100%. So we're gonna replace it with a new one. We have already unscrewed the bottom part on the side of the lightning port, and now we're gonna remove the screen on this one. We're going to be careful. This is not the one that we're going to replace, so we're going to reuse this later on. I'm not sure if the screen is really cracked or it's just the tempered glass, but either way, it's still working good, so we're not going to replace it. We are now putting the screen at a 90-degree angle, and now we're going to unscrew the plate that is securing all the connectors to the board. We're just going to focus our attention to the battery connector here. And the battery formation for the iPhone 10 is really curious. It's in an L shape. Both batteries are in different shape, but they're a single unit, so they're like taped together. Two different cells, but taped together, connected to form one cell. The adhesives at the back is still holding on. I think this is not the original battery for the iPhone 10, this iPhone 10 specifically, but I might be wrong. Usually you tend to pull out the adhesive strip underneath the battery so you can easily remove it. This one is not really doing that. And now we have an aftermarket but really high quality battery for this iPhone 10. You can buy a lot of batteries. You have a lot of choices on Amazon or eBay or AliExpress. But David here has a reliable supplier of iPhone 10 batteries. So this one is going to be the same as the original or close. It's not really you can see that the brand is crazy. So this is crazy quality for the thing that you're getting. So this is what we offer here primarily in the shop. You have problems with your display, you cracked it, David replaces it. You have a problem with your battery, it's now really not holding any more charge that long. David replaces the battery. Lightning ports, what else? Speakers on specific models. You can also replace the camera glass at the back of the iPhones, back glass on multiple devices. He's a Samsung expert, so if you have a Samsung device at home that you need to restore or repair, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and David will fix it for you. This one is still not showing the charging status, so we're gonna open this again and we'll be back. I'm gonna try to rotate the lightning charging connector. Still not doing it. We'll be back. And now we're back. Battery is now charging. The phone is now turning on. We're gonna fully close this up. And now we're done. So if you want the same service done to your iPhone device, visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Let David take care of you. And this battery is one happy 100% fully charged. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.